In this video, we have given that x cube minus 3x square plus 5x is equal to 1 and y cube minus 3y square plus 5y is equal to 5, and we have to find the value of x plus y. So we have x cube minus 3x square plus 5x is equal to 1, and it is x cube minus 3x square plus, and 5x is 3x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and it is x cube minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x is equal to minus 2x. And we know that a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So x minus 1 whole cube will be equal to x cube minus 1 cube will be 1 minus 3x square plus 3x. So this is equal to x minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to minus 2x. Suppose this is equation 1, and we have y cube minus 3y square plus 5y is equal to 5, and 5y is 3y plus 2y, so y cube minus 3y square plus 3y will be equal to 5 minus 2y, and if we subtract 1, then y cube minus 1 minus 3y square plus 3y will be equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 2y, and this is y minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to 4 minus 2y. Suppose this is equation 2, and if we add equation 1 and equation 2, then we will get x minus 1 whole cube plus y minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 2x and minus 2y plus 4, and we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So x minus 1 whole cube plus y minus 1 whole cube will be x minus 1 plus y minus 1 times x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to, and here we can take minus 2 common, and we will get x plus y minus 2, and it is x plus y, and minus 1 will be minus 2 times x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus y minus 1 whole square plus 2 times x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, and we can take x plus y minus 2 common, and we will get x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus y minus 1 whole square plus 2 is equal to 0. And we have product of two equations is equal to 0. So if x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, then we will get x plus y is equal to 2. And this, it cannot be equal to 0, because we have x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus y minus 1 whole square plus 2. And suppose x minus 1 is a, then it will be a square minus x minus 1 is a, and suppose y minus 1 is b plus y minus 1 is b square plus 2. And suppose distant is a and distant is b and this angle is 60 degree, and distant is c. Then by cosine rule, cos 60 degree will be equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 times 2ab is equal to a square plus b square minus c square, and 2 will get cancelled. So a square plus b square minus ab is equal to c square, and c square cannot be negative, so a square plus b square minus ab cannot be negative. So a square minus ab plus b square plus 2, it will be greater than 0 if a and b both are positive, and if a and b both are negative, then the equation will be same and hence it will be positive. And if one is positive and the second is negative, then a square will be positive minus ab will be positive and b square will be positive and 2 is positive, so it will be positive. Hence this cannot be equal to 0, and hence x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2.